Working with Cardano cryptocurrency and encountered DMW files in your Daedalus wallet folder? These contain wallet state data critical to your crypto holdings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to safely handle these Daedalus wallet state files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic DMW corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. A .dmw file stores the state and configuration data for the Daedalus wallet, the official desktop client for the Cardano cryptocurrency. Users interact with this file indirectly. It contains wallet information and transaction history, but it is not meant to be opened manually. It's crucial for the wallet's operation. This file is a structured data file, likely in a binary or serialized format, designed for integrity and rapid state restoration. It contains encrypted wallet keys, blockchain synchronization pointers, and user settings, ensuring data consistency and security for the Daedalus application. Most installations default to associating Daedalus wallet from Input-Output Global (IOG) with DMW. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. To force file access, right-click your DMW file and select Open With. If Daedalus wallet is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the DMW file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, letting Daedalus manage. DMW files are managed automatically by the Daedalus wallet application, requiring no direct user interaction. The wallet creates updates and references these files as needed during normal operation. Avoid manually opening or modifying DMW files, as this can corrupt wallet state requiring resynchronization with the Cardano blockchain. Next, backing up wallet. Properly back up your Daedalus wallet by recording the recovery phrase displayed during wallet creation rather than copying DMW files. The recovery phrase is the only authoritative backup providing complete wallet restoration. DMW state files alone cannot recreate the wallet without the underlying recovery phrase or seed key material. Finally, restoring from recovery phrase. If wallet state becomes corrupted or DMW files are lost, restore the wallet using the original recovery phrase. Launch Daedalus and use the Restore Wallet option, entering the recovery phrase exactly as recorded. Daedalus regenerates wallet state files from the recovery seed and resynchronizes with the Cardano blockchain. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.